Number 1. Use a fixed point in your mix. This is one of the most essential points in properly mixing music in my opinion. For example, you are mixing an EDM track. The loudest element in an electronic dance music track is usually the kick. Let's say you put the kick on -10 dB full scale. This will be our fixed point in the track. Since this is the loudest element of the mix, we already know that all following elements are less loud and set somewhere on the spectrum of the headroom. In general, the higher the frequency, the less amplitude. This means that very high elements, such as for example cymbals and hi-hats, are mixed at a lot lower amplitude than for example a voice or a lead. This is a very basic thing and it is not too hard to understand. Don't forget though, rules are there to be broken. If you feel your snare must be louder than your kick and it works, go for it. But this is a great way to start your mixing process in a clean way.